In NVivo, you can classify a number of cases to the same classification at the same time. To demonstrate this, I'm going to come over to Cases in my navigation view. Here is the folder for cases, and within that we've created a subfolder called People. Inside this folder, I have a case for each of my participants. I'd like to classify these cases as person. Remember that a classification is your doorway to attributes. I'm going to come over and select all of the people cases. I can click on the first one to select it, hold down the Shift key and click on the last one to select the whole group. Then I can right click on any one of them and from the pop-up menu come down here to where it says Classification. Right now it's letting me know that none of them are classified. I'm going to go ahead and classify each one of these as a person. Now if I move to the person folder under case classifications, I will see that each of these cases have been assigned to the case classification person. And if I look at any one of these cases, I'll click on the plus next to Barbara, I will see that the case is now attached to all the attributes we created within that classification. I can now select the appropriate values from here or by opening up the case classification sheet. To open the case classification sheet, I click in the ribbon on the Home tab and click on Case Classification. And in the drop-down, select Person, which is under Open Classification Sheet. The classification sheet will open and I can just tab through the cells and add the values for each case.